ReliveX Massager is marketed as a high-tech device that uses electrical muscle stimulation to relieve pain, improve circulation, and even replace therapy. But the real question is whether it delivers real relief or just overpromises. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. EMS technology is used in physiotherapy to stimulate muscles and improve circulation, so the core concept is legitimate. However, here's the key point. Consumer versions are much weaker, and results are far more limited than the marketing suggests. What it actually does well: muscle stimulation and relaxation. ReliveX uses electrical pulses to contract muscles, which can help reduce tension and promote relaxation. Short-term pain relief. Some users may feel temporary relief after sessions, especially for soreness or stiffness, where it falls short. Instant relief claims are exaggerated. Marketing says relief in 15 minutes, but that's usually temporary, not long-term healing, not a replacement for treatment. It doesn't fix underlying issues like injuries, nerve problems, or chronic conditions. Generic product pattern. Many EMS pad devices look identical and are sold under different brand names, often at very different prices. So, is it real relief or fake promises? Short answer: real but limited. It can help with temporary pain relief and muscle relaxation, but claims about fixing serious conditions or replacing therapy are overstated. ReliveX Massager isn't a scam, but it's definitely overhyped. It works as a basic EMS massager for short-term relief, similar to many cheaper alternatives, but it won't magically cure pain or replace proper treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.